There will be situations when we are expected to be stern, be...
Actually, being firm doesn't mean you have to have a sharp tongue. One can be firm also. There are examples. Examples of people being firm, like Arjuna was firm in dealing with Ashwatthama. You find without compromise, he dealt with him. Correct. Now, used to be also firm in certain situations you will find in Mahabharata, where you have to be firm. So one has to know when to be firm. Like Prithu Maharaj, he saw earth is not giving yield. So he was looking at earth, contemplating for a long time, and then he became angry. Then he chased after the earth, and then the earth yielded everything. So there, a very important point comes. Generally, when anger comes, there is no contemplation. Intelligence says goodbye and goes away. But if somebody contemplates and becomes angry, that means he is angry in Sattva Guna, that's transcendental anger. Or may not be transcendental, Sattva Guna anger and there is Shuddha Sattva anger also, like Narsimha's anger. These are all done with contemplation. Whereas anger generally starts with Rajoguna and goes down to Tamoguna. Right, no?